Hi children! So in numeracy today, I would like you to play a game that I like to call Sink or Float. And what we're going to do is we're going to keep a tally or a score or a way of keeping a record of how many of our things float and how many sink. So we're going to tally the results. So I've got here my bowl full of water. And I've also got here some objects. I've got a pencil, some scissors, a dinosaur, a little toy horse, and I've also got a pastry cutter. So what I'd like you to do is first of all maybe predict what you think might sink and what might float. So I'm going to say that my pencil is going to float. My scissors are going to sink. I think my dinosaur will sink. I think my horse will float. And I think my pastry cutter will sink. Let's have a go and find out. Now, what you can do, I've got here my whiteboard. So you can either use your whiteboard and pen or a piece of paper. And you can have a for float and a for sink. And we'll record the results. Here we go. Here's my bowl of water. So the first thing was the pencil. I thought the pencil was going to float. Let's see. Oh, that's right. So I'm going to put a line there to say one of them floated. Okay. Next thing, scissors. I predicted that my scissors would sink. Let's see. Oh, yeah, I definitely think they're a sinker. So we'll put a sinker there. Time for the dinosaur. Think he's going to sink. What do you think? Sink? Let's try. Ooh. He's not sinking, is he? He's floating. That's unexpected. So another one in the float column. And my toy horse. I think he's going to sink. Let's see. No, it's a floater as well. Oh, there we go. So another line in the float column. And my last one is my pastry cutter. I thought that was going to sink, I think. No, float. Oh, I can't decide. What do you think? Sink or float? Let's try. Oh, it almost was a floater and then it sunk to the bottom. So then we've got another line. So, how many floated? And how many sunk? 1, 2, 3 floated and 1, 2 sank. So more of my objects were floaters than sinkers. Now, if you were to have some more objects, so you just get lots. I didn't really have time to show you lots and lots and lots. But let's say you had 5 objects that floated. So when we do a tally, we've got 1, 2, 3. Then number 4 would go next to it. But then if you had a 5th one, you wouldn't do another line next to it. You'd go across like that. So that's how we keep a tally score. I'll show you again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I hope you have fun playing that game at home and try and keep your tally of how many floated and how many sank. See you again soon. Bye.